Salutations, Nicola. I'm Dalton Castle, and I am excited to congratulate you on being born. 28 years ago? Allow me to express my congratulations by sending you a gift. Something, well, not this one. One that looks exactly like it. This one's mine. But you can rest assured that something similar is going to be shipped off immediately your way. What do you mean? Well, I don't know, you put it in a box, tape it up, and ship it out. Yeah, I know. That's why we put air holes in the box. It's not illegal, is it? All right. New plan. Get a basket and lots of balloons. I don't know. You put a battery-operated fan on it or something and point it east. This might not work. Either way, Nicola, happy birthday.